Hi guys, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel. I talk about selling on Amazon and creating your own private label products. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post a new video. So today we're talking about something very important, and that is profit, how you calculate profit, how you actually, make sure that you are making money on every product type that you're selling in your business, because sometimes it happens that you just look at overall aggregate profit in your business and it hides the bad performers from the good performers because it's an aggregate performance. So today I'm going to be sharing one of my spreadsheets with you, and link for that would be in the description below. You can download it and make a copy so you can edit it for your own business and create a line by line product profitability calculation for your own business, so you can see which one of your products are great, doing well, creating profit in your business, and which ones are dud, and what you're going to do about them, because a product level analysis is very important in the business. This is something I have done in my business. I have made this mistake where you just look at aggregate profit and you just think that, okay, yeah, everything's fine, I'm making money, and you think that but it's very interesting when you actually put the figures in and you see that, wow, how did I miss on this? And it's such an obvious thing, an easy thing to miss on, because it's a very simple calculation, but we need to be able to do that every year on a product level to see that which products performed great in the last 12 months and which didn't, and why they didn't perform well, and how I'm going to course correct and take my business to profitability. So this is what we're discussing today. Let's get into it. So guys, this is the spreadsheet I was talking about. We are going to calculate the profit and total profit for each product, and it's created, the calculator is line wise. So you'll see that we have a selling price and then selling price excluding VAT too, because if you're VAT registered and this is the price you're selling at, you are not going to be actually receiving that. When you have to calculate your profit, you should do it on taking away the VAT. So then that the difference is not your money, that's going straight to the government. Okay, so that's that. And then we are going to use landed cost price of the product, use the referral fee. Then we have the FBA fee, which you will insert from the Seller Central. How much is Amazon charging you? And then you have your gross profit. Okay, so the formulas are already in. You don't need to change anything here. All you need to do is insert these figures, your landed cost price, your referral fee, and depending on which category you're selling in, I have put in the average of 15.3%, which is across most of the categories. If you download this and you want to edit this, make your own copy, and then you would be able to edit this to the percentage you're paying. So for example, if you were selling jewelry, you would be paying 20% instead of 15%. Okay, so here after the 15.3%, you will change that figure to 20%. Okay, 0.153, you will change that to 20%. Okay, and then this is your gross profit. Okay, so I'm going to explain with an example, but just going through the different columns first. Then you have overheads per unit. Even if you're doing FBA 100%, you're still going to have overheads of processing the products and sending it to Amazon, or any storage fee, or gas and electric, or your telephone, internet bills, whatever. You need to work that out, because that is something that is a fixed business expense. and you should divide that by the number of units you sell in a year, and then you will get your overheads. Okay, we're going to go into detail in this in just a couple of minutes, and but let's go ahead to the tacos and the ACOS. Okay, so to calculate the real, tacos, the total ACOS, you should use this to calculate how much it's costing you to sell each unit, not just the paid unit. Okay, so that's these two figures. You will get it from your Seller Central. What's your ACOS, and then you can calculate considering your overall sales and calculate your tacos. Okay, and then based on that, you can actually see how much it's costing you to sell each unit. Okay, so based on this, if we calculate using tacos 12%, right, multiply that by your selling price, it's costing you £2.40 to sell each unit. Okay, £2.40 is your advertising cost. So this makes it a bit more real that, of the £20 selling price that I'm using is costing me £2.40 to actually sell each unit, which is it depends on your the way you're running the business. Is that enough, or is it too little? Do you want to raise your price? This is the decisions you will be able to make after doing this calculation for yourself. So this is the net profit per unit, and then you can add insert in here how many units you have in stock, and then this would be times your net profit times your total units to sell would be your estimated total profit. Let me just write that in here. Estimated total profit, and then okay, this is how this is built out. And I've just added extra tab in here for you to work out your landed product cost, because landed product cost usually will have your product price that you've paid to the factory, any packaging, stickers, anything extra you have used that adds to your cost, and then your shipping cost. Okay, so the total of that was $1,560, and then when you convert that into UK pounds sterling, then you get this, and you let's assume you ordered only 150 units, then per landed cost price per unit comes out to be £7.82. Now this is just an example, right? And this highlights that when you actually are discussing or validating the product, they tell you this is the product cost price. Okay, it only costs $3.87, but when it actually arrives, this is the total. It's actually going to cost you $8.96, not $3.87. Okay, and this is what you should base your price on. Okay, what it's actually going to cost you. So I'm just gonna add that in here, $896. All right, per unit. So this is how you will do your per product cost calculation, landed product cost. You can just copy down the same formula and do it for each product. And then I have a little calculation over here for overheads. So you can, as I said, things like, your phone bill, internet, Wi-Fi, whatever your bills you pay, and you do the overheads for the year. Okay, so £500. These are again estimated figures, and these are not like exact figures or real figures. I've just put in some figures that you might have some salaries, even your own. If you take a salary from your own business, you pay yourself, you should add that in here. Rent, electric, water, it's the kind of overheads that are part of running the business. Even if you're working from home, you should be charging that to your business anyway when you will do your accounts and
things like that. So when you divide this £20,700 to the total units that you plan on selling or you have in stock, and you expect to sell them, it works out to be £1.88 is your overhead. Okay, now you will use that figure in your calculation here, and then you would be able to figure out that, okay, on now this is same across all the products. Okay, overhead is same across all the products, tacos is same across all the products, because these are calculated overall in the business. The cost of sale in any given month is going to be same unless something major happens. Your energy bill goes up really, and then this is going to go higher, or your ad cost goes higher, then all of this is going to change. So let's do an example now that you understand what each column is. Let's just say it's another product, let's just call it product D, and let's say we are selling that for, again, £25. And you can see the formula calculated that you would actually, after paying for VAT, you would be receiving £20.83. That would be your revenue per unit. Okay, so let's add in, I don't know, £4.50 as your landed cost price of the product. That includes your shipping, any taxes, any packaging fee, whatever you paid. That is £4.50. And the referral fee is calculated, as you know, off your sales price. So that's how it's calculated. And then let's just assume it's a product that's it's a £4 FBA fee. Okay, it's never a rounded figure. It usually is 3.73, something like that. But wherever that is, it's FBA fee you will insert from your Seller Central. And then you have a gross profit. Now, this is not you're going to be making per product, is gross profit, because you still have to pay for overheads and advertising. That's what it's called, gross profit. So that's £8.78. So far, so good for this product. And then you take away the overheads and a £3 ad spend. Okay, it's costing you £3 to sell each of this unit, right? And so you are making £3.90 per unit, which is not bad. Now you insert in here, let's say you have 500 units to sell. So overall, by selling this product, purchasing this product at £4.50 and selling it at £25, you would be overall making £1,949. Okay, estimated total profit. Now, how long it takes to sell, that's a separate story. Here we haven't actually, in overheads, we want to I forgot to mention overheads, your subscriptions. So Amazon Seller Central subscription, your Jungle Scout, your Perpetua subscription, PPC, things like that. All the subscriptions that you've been paying for per month will be added in here, inserted in here too. So, I mean, 600 is actually pretty conservative. It could go up to 1,000 as well. But see what happens. The bigger your overheads, your overhead per unit goes up. So what we're going to do here is we're going to change it from 188 to 197 and then drag it down. Okay, and that takes away from your profit. And this is what you need to do for each of your product. Now let's do another example. Okay, that you're selling a product at, let's say, $14.99, and it's costing you, let's say, $3.99, and the seller fee is again $3.75. And here on this product, you're losing £1.31, and you again have like 1,000 units to sell because you thought this was a cheap product. Now you're losing money on this product, you're losing money here, you're making money here. Do you see how some products are carrying the burden of other products. This is why you need to do this, every few months, and course correct. Now, this need correction. You either need to raise your price. Okay, correction could be that you want to, maybe clear this product out. It just depends what's going on with this product, and these are the decisions this will help you make. This review, this analysis, this profitability calculation by parent item will help you see like which style, which product is actually profitable, which is not profitable, which is paying for everything else, and which needs more boost. And consolidate your business and get rid of duds. Now, this obviously appears to be a dud, losing product, so you just highlight in red, and then you know that this is something that I need to take care of. So I hope you guys found this useful. I will leave the link for this in the description box below. Make sure you guys download it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or email me at hello@farahfinance.com.
I hope you guys found the video useful today. This will help you see what are your overheads, what is your cost per acquisition, your CPA. I haven't gone into much detail about this particular term CPA in today's video. I will do another one next week around it. But all these figures are very important to know on a product level, and see what are the fixed costs in your business, and what are your TACOs, and what's your CPA, and how can you lower it and improve your profitability. Because as you could see, even one of the figures, when they change, it changes your net profit margin. And that is why, efficient operations improve your overheads, and all of that. That's why we use FBA, because it overall lowers your cost of doing business and dispatching orders and things like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this today's video, found it educational. Link, as always, will be in the description below. Make sure you guys download it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at hello@farahfinance.com. And that's all from me today. I will see you guys next time.